Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Job Fraud channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you're new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 13th May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. The government has increased its market borrowing scheme by staggering rupees 4.2 lakhs crore to rupees how many lakhs crore for the current fiscal. So it is rupees 12 lakh crore. Question number 2. Which of the following has developed first indigenous antibody based ELISA test kit COVID Kavach for diagnosis of novel coronavirus? So it is done by National Institute of Virology, Pune. So this ELISA test kit, it can test around 90 samples in approximately 2.5 hours. Question number 3. When is the National Technology Day observed? So it is observed on 11th May. So why it is on 11th May? Because on 11th May 1998, India conducted its first successful fired Operation Shakti-1 nuclear missile test at the Indian Army's Pokhran test range, Rajasthan. So that's why we are celebrating 11th May as National Technology Day. Question number 4. Which country has decided to raise value-added tax, that is VAT, from 5% to 15% starting from 1st July? So this is done by Saudi Arabia. So Saudi Arabia is the host country for G20 for 2020. Some GK related to Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia capital is Riyadh. Saudi Riyal is its currency. Question number 5. Which of the following has developed Spirulina groundnut chicky that can provide micronutrients and boost the immunity of people during this time of pandemic? So it is developed by option number D, Central Food Technological Research Institute. So it is present at Mysore, Karnataka, and Dr. KSMS Raghava Rao is director. Question number 6. Who will remain president of the International Hockey Federation until May 2021? So it is Narinder Batra, and FIH headquarters present in Lausanne, Switzerland. Question number 7. Harisankar Vasudevan, who passed away recently, was renowned historian from Kolkata, West Bengal, and he died due to coronavirus. Question number 8. Under the SBI We Care Deposit Scheme, SBI provides an additional how much basis point interest to senior citizen on their FDs? So it is 30 basis point, and the senior citizen will get the FD interest rate at 6.50. Question number 9. According to the World Tourism Organization, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused how much percentage fall in the international tourist arrivals during the first quarter of 2020? So it is 22%. So World Tourism Organization, its headquarters present in Madrid, Spain, and Zura P is its Secretary General. Question number 10. Who is the author of the biography titled Finding Freedom, Harry and Meghan and the Making of a Modern Royal Family? So it is option number D, both A and D. And the book reveals detail of the couple who stepped back as frontline royals to settle down in USA. Question number 11. The Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, has announced a tie-up with the which of the following companies for the development of a fully indigenous vaccine for COVID-19? So it is with Bharat Biotech. So ICMR headquarters present in New Delhi. Dr. Balram Bhargava is its Secretary and Director General. Question number 12. Meerkat, which has captured high quality image of a galaxy called PKS 2014-55, is a satellite of which country? So it is a satellite of South Africa. Some geography to South Africa. South Africa has three capital. First capital is Pretoria, that is for executive. Second is Cape Town, that is for legislative work. And third is a Bloemfontein, that is for judicial. Question number 13. Which city has launched the Pranavaya program to create awareness on need to self-examine respiratory health? So it is Mangalore, option number B. So under this program, there is an attempt to help people with the low oxygen level in their blood to get themselves checked early before their ailments to become fatal. Question number 14. Country's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana has been launched in which state? So it is launched at Madhya Pradesh. So what is FIR Aapke Dwar? So if you dial to number 100, then the police will come to the doorstep and the FIR will be registered at the victim's house. Some GKL to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is its CM and governor is Lalaji Tandon. Question 15. Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched which helpline for counseling of students of the Central University of Odisha? So the program is Bharosa. So why this program is launched? So it is launched for the counseling of students of the Central University of Odisha who are in mental distress due to the COVID-19. Question number 16. The State Education Department of which state in collaboration with Doordarshan has started online classes for students of government school? So it is Jharkhand. So the classes will be held between 10 am to 12 pm and from 1 pm to 2 pm, and it will be started from May 11 to June 10. Some GKL to Jharkhand. Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. Hemant Soren is its CM and Draupadi Murmu is its governor. Question number 17. The government of India has launched which mission on 10 men to help 5 island nations in the Indian Ocean due to COVID-19 crisis? So it is Mission Sagar. So the 5 island nations are: first is Maldives, second is Mauritius, third is Seychelles, fourth is Comoros, fifth is Madagascar. So these are the current affairs of today. So the answer of yesterday's question is Barodi Stadium is located at Cuttack, Odisha. And for question of today is the Partizan Museum is located in which state? So write down the answer in the comment box, and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. I wish you like the video. So please like, share and subscribe the channel for next current affairs and job alert. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home. Be happy.